So I think this will be part 3 or part 4. Now, I'm actually not sure. Look at this, guys. I mean, look at how gorgeous this is. This is like a little container. Oh, look how gorgeous it is. Look how stunning that is. And you put like your brushes or your files in here. It is so cute, and it's like, it's got weight to it. It's really, really nice. There's like crystals on it. It's got little feet at the bottom. Oh, I love it. Oh, I absolutely love it. Okay, so I really can't wait to show you guys all the stuff. This is a massive haul, guys. A massive unboxing. Okay, so I got more of the TNA solid gel remover because it works so well, and I was so surprised by it. It really, really works. You guys have got to check this out. It's like magic. Okay, so this goes together with this. I have not tried it with the other solid gel yet, but I'm going to, so that you guys can also have a look, see how if it removes the other solid gels as well. Okay, so there we go. Then I want to show you the tools I got. Okay, so these are little pop rings that you paint them, right? They're little roses. Look how cute that is. So you paint them the color, and then you pop it around the bottle like so, and then you can see the color. So you don't have to actually open the bottle, and yeah, they work beautifully together. So I got it, there's 50, I think there's 50 in a pack. I will also obviously link the prices of these. Right, so we have got a little miniature lamp to basically cure, you know, the full length, full cover tips. Just want to get this baby out. So this is going to make life so much easier. It's even got a little clamp, so you can actually clamp it onto the table, but you don't have to. Oh, look at that. Okay, so you can sort of bend it over like that, and then when you put your full cover tip on, you can just go like this. You know, you put the tip on and it's so much easier. This is going to come in so handy, and you can also clip it. You can clip it. Oh, the clip is like strong, my word. It's really got some strength there to it. So it comes with a little USB port, so you just, you know, plug it into your cell phone charger thingy, and then it's got a little clip button here to turn it on and off. I will be obviously showing you how this works in detail. I'm just doing the unboxing now. Then we've got a beautiful dusting brush. Oh my gosh, little ombre effect as well. Open this up. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's so soft. Oh, okay, beautiful. So you've got a little dusting brush, and you've got a little one as well. Almost looks like a makeup brush, you know. I suppose you could use it as a makeup brush. This one, oh, this is super soft as well. So yeah, another little sort of little dusting brush as well. Beautiful. And then I got some acrylic brushes as well, because I got some acrylics which I will show you in a minute. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've just got the cheapy ones, but they are what's it, Kolinsky Sable, what's it called? Yeah, so Kolinsky brushes as well. The nail art does stock them in different sizes, so I just thought I'd get these to do swatches with. And then we've got these very cute, look how cute these are, dotting tools. So they've got different size dots on them, from smallest to biggest. And believe you me guys, if you're nail tech, you need these. You really do. You really need a set of these, and they're super cute. They remind me of those little sweeties. You know, there's like 100,000s. Yeah, that's what it reminds me of. Okay, so there's that, and then I got the ombre sponges, and it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4. It comes with 4 heads as well. So we've got the little pointy head over here, and then you've got sort of just a round one on the other side. So, and then this one's, yeah, round, pointy. There we go. Also, if you're nail tech and you want to do beautiful ombres, you need this tool, okay? Then I got this. If you are using gems and crystals, this is the tool to be using, guys. This is the tool to be using. It is so easy to pick up these little crystals and beads and things like that. So yeah. So with crystals, it's, I don't know if you guys have ever experienced it, but it's difficult to get those buddies off, right? So this is the tool to get the crystals off with. It's like, it looks like a little pliers. I'll take it out so you can actually see what it looks like. It's also a must-have if you are using crystals. So it looks like that. See, it looks like a nail clipper kind of crystal thing, and you just take the crystals and you pull them off like that. So this is also a very nifty tool to have. It's a must. It's a must, guys. It's a must buy. Okay, so there we go. Got some orange wood sticks as well. Can't have enough of these. And then I got sort of a little pedicure kit. And then we got some magnets for the cut-out gels. Okay, so let me show you these buddies. These little babies here. Let me show you. Can't wait to experiment with these. Oh, it's sealed. Okay, let me open it. Can't wait to experiment with these. Gonna have so much fun. So remember the cut-out gels sets that I got? Came with a. Sorry, one moment. So we've got this magnet. Guys, if you've got cat eye gels, it's very important to have good magnets, right? So we've got this one, and check this one out. It's a little round one, and it's got this like little peepee thing. Can't wait to use these, guys. And then we've got this one with the round one at the end. So I just want to show you the difference between this one, okay, and this one. This one, as you can see, the magnet is sort of raised. It comes out a bit. This one is quite flat, okay? So even though they look the same, they're not the same. This one is much stronger, this one here, okay? So we got those, and then we've got this little flower ditty. Look how cute that is, the little flower one. Can't wait to use this. And then it's got like the little 4 dots at the end. And then we've got these ones, and these are super, I mean, they are super strong. So these ones are super strong. And then this one, I mean, look how far away. Okay, so we got magnets galore. Can't wait to show you those with the cat eye gels. And then I'm going to show you the acrylics.